Trying to capture tiny details with your phone? Yeah, not happening. Blurry, frustrating, and just not what you wanted. Meet the Cinnotown Macro Lens, your ticket to documenting the wonders of the microscopic world with crystal clear detail. This 16mm 4x lens transforms your phone into a high-powered macro camera. Just snap it on, turn on your phone's macro mode, and start exploring. Compact, portable, and always ready for action. This lens lets you discover details you've never seen before, wherever you go. Oh, and it's not just for dry land. The fully waterproof front end lets you shoot 140mm deep underwater, capturing an entirely new perspective beneath the surface. With 4x magnification and a 108-degree viewing angle, you can peek into the hidden world of textures, patterns, and tiny wonders that are impossible to see with the naked eye. High-definition optics ensure true color reproduction for photos that are as vibrant and sharp as real life. The wide-angle macro lens with 4x zoom creates stunning visual effects that make everyday moments look extraordinary. Even in low light, you're covered. The built-in Ring LED fill light ensures that every shot is perfectly lit, no matter where you are. And with its slim design, it fits into even the smallest spaces, giving you access to details no normal phone camera could reach. Best part? It's simple, easy to assemble, and ready to go in seconds. Just clip it on, and you're set. So why settle for blurry close-ups? Upgrade your phone's camera and start capturing the world like never before. Enjoy the content? Join the community of innovators and check the details below.